Welcome everyone to my very first how-to handyman video. Why is this a big deal? A, because I'm not handy. B, because I'm really not handy. But today's video really has nothing to do with autism. I just thought I would show you what I'm doing and have some fun with this video. But then I thought about it and it kind of actually does have something to do with Jaden. And what's that? Safety for your kids. So that staircase you're looking at right now, that's the staircase in the basement we moved into. Needs a little love, needs some TLC. But I'm gonna give it a nice little paint job here in a minute and I'm gonna show you. But what it needs after that are some carpet strips. Why we're doing that? Because it is a little bit slippery running up and down. Don't want any accidents with Jaden running up and down the stairs or with anyone in the house. So technically this does relate to my autism channel. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video as much as I enjoy making it. Off to the non-handyman video. Let's go. Look at that finished paint job. Beautiful. Now on to the next part. I tried out some rubber pads. They kind of placed into here. Did not stick. They cost $50 for 10 of them. Bam! $10 for 10 of these guys. Real simple. They look good, soft, not slippery. The bottom, durable. But your question might be, they don't look like they stay still. This is correct. But guess what? A simple solution? Carpet tacks. And black carpet tacks to boot, so they blend right in. My gosh, I'm getting handier and more clever by the video. So I'm gonna line this up, and then I'm gonna nail them in. So now that I got it all lined up and squared away, here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna take our beautiful little black carpet tack, and you might be thinking, well, what if it scrapes us? What if it's sticking out? Well guys, this is the beauty of being not so handy, is you just hit really, really hard and you put that sucker into the carpet. Bam, just like that. It just blends into the carpet. It is actually below carpet level. All safety restrictions handled. Once again, thumbs up by the non-handyman. Now we're gonna jump on to the next couple steps. Let's do this. 9 more to go. And voila. Oh, that's a beautiful sight. But I was 1 step off. There's technically 11 steps. So see, this is why I'm the not so handyman. I said 10 steps. Luckily the package came with 2 extra steps. Runners, I'm good. So as you can see, nice presentable look, $10. I repeat, that was a $10 project. I guess add in the $2 for nails. Very simple project, guys, by the not so handy dad. I'm feeling like a man. Testosterone's high right now. I think I might go do some push-ups. But before that, I'm gonna run up and down the stairs to make sure they're stable, solid, and kid-friendly. Let's do this. Well, there you have it, guys. My first how-to video. And it has nothing to do with autism or the rest of my channel. But I just thought, maybe I should record this because I'm not handy and this is handy. This is impressive. This was 66 nails impressive. Or carpet tacks. But if I can just help one person out there, just one person who's looking to put a carpet runner but doesn't want to spend that kind of money, well, I hope my video helped. And if my video does help you, comment below and let me know. Let the non-handy dad know that I helped one person. All right, guys, that's it for my how-to video on how to make a cheap carpet runner. Woo! 1 in the books. God bless everyone. Have a great day. My wife's gonna be so proud of me. How does that make you feel?
The same.
Mission failed.
Sebastian loves them. Good job.
Thanks, babe.